Here we have the most damaging emails yet. So this is David Goldstein typing this to the head of the Pawtucket Fire Department. I mentioned that to you 2 weeks ago and you told me not to do it. This is in reference to showing up and pulling the fire alarm at my building. On 6/30/2021, at roughly 1:40, the Pawtucket Fire Department showed up and pulled my fire alarm. I mentioned that to you 2 weeks ago and you told me not to do it. Now let's figure out why they showed up at the building. Must have been some life-threatening event going on, right? Here's the reason why. I was trying to get the alarm box bill paid. Oh my god. This is the chief of the fire department saying, I need an explanation. Mayor is inquiring. So on 6:30, Lieutenant Johnson, who openly admits he pulled it, He showed up, he pulled the fire alarm on 2021. I keep on saying 2120. He pulled it, and, he didn't tell anyone he was going to pull the fire alarm, so you can imagine what panic that caused. And now we know why. They were trying to get the bill paid. Oh, I was trying to get the box alarm bills paid. Oh my god. And I know you told me not to 2 weeks before.